For candles in a pan to melt, we separate the wick. Pour the melted candle into 3 small containers. Cloves. A few pieces of cinnamon. In another container, a few drops of scented oil. 1 little color. In the last container, 1 tablespoon of disinfectant. And 1 little coloring. The wick that we separate. Some tweezers. Let it rest until it hardens. Remove the clamps. And it's ready. The whole house will have a light and fragrant smell. This tip is easy, fast, and very practical. What did you think of this advice?